Good evening, this is Bill Wood with DisciplineTradingDecisions.com. The crude oil market has done something interesting tonight. Just wanted to go over that with you real quick. Trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. You should carefully consider whether trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances, knowledge, and financial resources. You may lose all or more of your initial investment. Opinions, market data, and recommendations are subject to change at any time. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay, this daily chart. Market came up and tagged our median line up here on the Andrews pitchfork, and I would imagine that it's going to come down and touch this here, but I don't expect it to all happen in one move. So I don't know if this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5, breaking these highs, or if we've already put in the 5 waves and this was the capitulation at the end of the 5th wave. So we're either going to have like an A, B, C correction, or this is the 4th wave and we're going to continue higher. We're either going to go higher or lower, right? So I was suspecting that we could reverse once we get down into this area. So in the morning, what I'm looking for, we've already filled this gap overnight. So if we open up down here, we could just balance down here, and on the chart that might look like a come down here and just bounce like this the rest of the day. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is that if the market comes down in here, rejects, leaves a nice spike rejection here, like this bar right there, rejects out of here, retests, then I'm going to be playing to the upside tomorrow. Not very far, just a scalp, because if this is an ABC correction, it's going to reverse off of one of these areas on the way up. So scenario A, the market's just going to balance down here. Scenario B, if it comes down here, rejects, retests, and then opens in the morning, I'm going to be looking for longs. If it opens in the morning in this general vicinity, I would imagine that it'll retest this, it'll test this 4640. If it opens in this general vicinity, I would imagine that it'll fill in this gap. So any moves to any plays to the upside is just going to be temporary. I'm looking for the ABC correction. Actually, I'm looking for it to come down to this median line. Again, this is Fibonacci's. If this starts heading up in the morning, you could find this could be a supply zone that it could reverse off of. Same thing with this, that would have the added 382. Anytime the 50% could be the reversal area. Up here, you can see that support became resistance. So this is an area here, and the bottom of this balance area could be an area where it reverses from. This trend line could be an area. So I'm going to be looking for what I normally look for, and that is, if I'm looking for a reversal, I want it to reverse and then test and try to get short. And if you miss out on that, I missed out on this short overnight. It already broke down, but I was able to get a decent short off of, let's put the trend line. The market went down overnight, but where did it open? I got in around 11, 46.11. I mean 48.11. So it came down here, retraced up to my trend line. I got in here, had a nice short. There was a second opportunity to get in. So even though you may miss the really big move, I didn't catch all that. Even though you may miss this up here, there are other chances to get in along the way. So that's my take on the market. This is Bill Wood, and if you're watching this anywhere other than my blog at disciplinedtradingdecisions.com, please go there now and check out our other resources. And while you're there, sign up for our weekend updates. Remember to stay motivated, stay focused, and stay disciplined, my friend.